What is going on, guys? It is Melch here, and I am back with a new video. Today, as you can see on the screen, looks like a normal TradeZella week. Looks like a good week. We had 4 days profit in a row, and this was on a four fresh funded accounts. We had a 2K balance as of this morning. But today, guys, it says minus 800, but that's because my funded accounts, 4 funded accounts on Lucid, got deleted. They got deleted because I went on a massive downward spiral today. Guys, if we can go back on TradeZella, when was it? I think it was Wednesday right here. Wednesday was when I blew my payout, guys. I was 1 day away from getting a payout, and I blew 2K and lost the account, right? Ever since that day, I didn't have a blow-up day. Like, I went on a losing streak for, 6 days right here, but I bounced back. I got funded on 4 accounts. Monday was my first day of profit, right? And we went ahead and rode this and up into a 2K balance on 4 accounts this morning. And today I just fucking blew it down the drain, bro. So it says minus 800, but it was really minus 2 bands. It just doesn't show because I blew the account and it got deleted from Lucid. But basically I had to buy more evaluations today and restart from zero. So I just want to go on a quick lesson for y'all guys. Anyone who is on the road to get their first payout, anyone who's just got funded, and maybe you're on day 3 or day 4, bro, I just want you, bro, on that 4th day to lower your daily loss limit. And I had a daily loss limit coming in today for $300, but the first loss I took was 150, bro. So I was like, fuck, all I have is 150 left of ammo. Let me remove my daily loss limit so I can go for another big trade, bro, and just make some money back. Just make like 300 back, bro, and I'm up for the day. What did that lead to, bro? It leads to a $300 loss, then a $400 loss, then another loss until the account is gone. And I made a post about this on Instagram. And people in the comments were like, oh, your mismanagement was trash. How do you blow it on the last day? And these are 100% valid comments. How do I blow it on the last day, bro? And trust me, I just made a video about this as well on my Instagram. I did not wake up today, bro, thinking I'm going to blow my 400 accounts. I just needed 1 more day and I can withdraw $4,000. You think I woke up and said, you know what? I can withdraw $4,000 if I just make 150. But I'm going to blow all the accounts instead. I was not thinking that, bro. I got emotionally hijacked. Thinking about the money. Thinking about the payout. Thinking about what I'm going to do with the payout. And it was a slippery slope, bro. Another thing, if we look at Forest Factory, we have Red Folder News today at 8:30. I wasn't trading right at 8:30, but we had a massive spike in price. What happened after this spike in price? For the next 3 hours, 4 hours, we were chopping. Why would I trade, bro? I don't know. Maybe because I was just so fixated on the payout. Sucks. So that's just an update, guys. Unfortunately, literally last video I made, I was talking about how I blew my last payout, right? That was Wednesday, July 8th. After that, I think I blew 2 evaluations because I went on a losing streak. And then I bought 4 evaluations, and then I went on a nice trading streak. I passed the 4 evaluations. Monday was the first profit day of a funded account, and I've racked up 8 bands on 4 accounts and fucked it all up. So lessons of this video, guys, so y'all don't make the same mistake on that last day. And this is what I'm going to do on my next time I'm on that 4th day. It's just, bro, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit, bro. I'm moving my daily loss limit to 200, and on my trade copier, I'm gonna liquidate all my accounts on that first loss. I don't care. Or that first trade is gonna be risking 200. So if I lose, bro, it just automatically locks me out. I don't care, bro. But I need to be one and done on that 4th day, right? Because what's going to happen if you need 1 more day of 150 and you just lose 150 on that first trade? Okay, cool, man. I just got to make 300. That's so easy, bro. I literally made 800 yesterday. Bro, I can make 300 real quick on a trade. Bang, you get fucked again. So fix that daily loss limit, bro. On that last day, just be one and done, bro. On that 4th day, one and done. This whole week, bro. 2 trades green, 2 trades green, One trade green. One trade green. Today, bro, was like 6 trades, 7 trades. Worst day of my week. Worst day since last month, bro. So just want to be fully transparent with you guys. It's not my strategy. It's not my technical analysis. I put the work in, bro. I do my back testing. I gather statistics. I have real playbooks with real check boxes and real things that I look for on these playbooks. It's not like I'm willy-nilly into the market. I know what I'm doing. I've had my mentors. I've had my courses. I've had my time in the market. It was just a beginner error, guys. So I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was very stressed out. I was really defeated. I was really heartbroken. After I made this mistake today, guys, I felt horrible, and I was yelling. I was punching the couch. I was screaming in my room. Fuck! Why, bro? Fuck! Like everything you can imagine, bro. But my girlfriend got off of work, and I was just like, hey, if you want to go out, we can go out. I need to get out the house, bro. So we went out to go get some lunch. I had a couple of beers. I was this close to relapsing on weed, but I didn't smoke weed. Thank God, bro. Thank God I didn't smoke weed. I went ahead and got 2 beers at the restaurant, bro, just to chill out and calm down, bro, because days like this, bro, if you haven't had your first payout, bro, or even my buddies that gotten payouts, shout out to Antho. He's a good mentor of mine. He's gotten plenty of payouts. He tells me, man, I've been there many times, bro. Been there many times. And you're not going to know how it feels, bro, until you truly. And hopefully it doesn't happen to you, bro. But you're not going to know how it feels, bro. So just if you can learn from my mistakes, bro, that I hope I inspire you for you to learn from my mistakes. But let's talk about action steps. Let's talk about what we're doing moving forward to not let this happen again. First things first, I have a back testing session I'm about to run, and I'm going to be documenting every red folder news that happens at 8:30 and 10 a.m. Why? Because, bro, it's just a repeating thing, bro, and I know I cannot trade on red folder news. So I want to back test for at least 3 to 4 months and just have concrete proof, bro. Hey, man, your strategies suck on red folder news days. Hey, bro, if red folder news is dropping at 8:30, bro, look at this spreadsheet, bro. It just clearly proves that you should not be trading when there's 8:30 news. And I'm going to be testing the 10 a.m. news as well. Hey, bro, when there's 10 a.m. news, it's going to be choppy at 9:30 open, bro. Or you shouldn't be trading. I'm going to have hardcore fucking solid proof, bro. Because I know I shouldn't be trading red folder. In my mind, I had it on a whiteboard right next to me. Y'all guys can't see it. But why did I still make the mistake, bro? So I'm gonna back test it, bro. And that's just one thing, bro. It's nothing to do with my strategy, nothing to do with risk management. Obviously, nothing to do with risk management. I had perfect risk management up until this point. It's just what causes you to go on tilt? What pushes over that first domino, bro? For me, it's these red folder days. It's these red folder days, bro. Because even Monday, I took a 180 loss, but I didn't remove my daily loss limit. I kept it at 300, and I just risked like like 200 or something like that. I just risked 150, whatever it was, and went for a high R trade. I didn't remove my daily loss limit on these days, bro. Even this day right here, which was the first day on the fundeds, 130 loss, $50 loss, $50 win. I kept my daily loss limit, bro. But these red folder news, bro, they just, I don't know what it does. July 8th. What happened on July 8th? Let's see if there was a red folder news. The same thing happened, bro. Okay, FOMC at 2 p.m. Maybe that was why. I don't know. But that's what we're doing today, guys. It's Friday, and there's nothing harder, bro. There's not a worse feeling than losing all your accounts on a Friday. So we're here. We're gonna do some studying, bro. Gonna really drill this into the brain, and it's nothing that nothing I can overcome. Nothing that's gonna make me quit, bro. I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna give up. I don't care, bro. I'm gonna get through this, and I know I am, and God knows I am. But it's just gonna be another grind, bro. So, if you all want to, follow me on this journey, my Instagram is Melch Trades. I'm posting all my trades. I be banging out trades, bro. But when I make mistakes, I'm gonna be fully transparent, bro. So that's how That's how we're ending the day. So hope y'all guys got something from this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Next video, y'all see, bro. I'm not going to post until I either make a payout. I'm not making another video until I make a payout. So love you guys, and I'll see y'all on the next one.